Hey everybody, we are at Margarita's in Myrtle Beach with our neighbors from Charlotte, Billy and Blair. Hey guys. And the usual family. Aiden, say hi.
I'm not Aiden, but hi.
Hey Lily. Alright, we're about to chow down on some delicious Mexican food that Billy here recommends. Oh man, look at this, all this artsy stuff right here. Look at this. Oh, look at the back of my wife's chair. Look at that.
Take that.
Oh, even the bathroom. Look at that. That is pretty nice right there. It's very authentic. And the chips came in within like literally, well, there's not much left on this one. Within, oh, there's a little bit more on that one. Within 10 seconds of us sitting down, and the margaritas arrive within probably like 5 minutes. So they know how to make a good time happen. Yeah. All right. So there's more to see. Now I have to go check them out. If I have a little bit more margarita, I might have to go check it out. All right, you all should hear that it's still sizzling. Oh.